Wilda from Surabaya, Java.
Hi, and I Vina Audinolia Mukaroma from Jember East Java.
Hi Vina, how are you? How are you doing at college lately?
Hello Putu, good news. My challenge lately is very hard. What about you Putu?
My news is also good. My college recently is also very exhausting because I've also been participating in volleyball practice recently. How are you, Vina? Do you still participate in routine volleyball practice too?
Yes, I still play volleyball. I have lately participated in the club. More frequently, you really like this sport, especially the libero position. Are you still a spiker?
Yes, I'm still spiker, but actually, I prefer that position because I can smash and take my opponent directly. But volleyball has many parts. Yes. What part of volleyball do you like besides being a libero?
In my opinion, libero is quite an important position because it can help the team defense. This position focus more on receive, service, and digs. If we are liberos, we can be careless, right? You can have to really focus. So, as a speaker, you have to be strong in the text. What is the biggest challenge for you?
The challenge is timing and coordination with the user set. If we cannot time or smash well, our attack may not be optimal, but I really like feeling like I'm a part of an attack that can change the direction of the game. By the way, do you have a favorite volleyball player, Vina?
I really like Wilda Nurfadila from Indonesia. He has extraordinary all-around abilities, not only as a spiker, but also can control the tempo of the game and block. He is also an inspiration for me in terms of discipline. If so, which volleyball player do you admire?
I admire Rati Wulandari, especially because of her toughness in beach volleyball. His blocking and attacking techniques are always sharp. Although she is more famous for beach volleyball, I see her as a very technical and consistent player. But in indoor volleyball, I really like Megawati Hemisti Pertiwi from Indonesia. The attack style is very strong.
Megawati is really cool. It's not see, he punches are sharp and he has a winning mentality. But we talk about volleyball teams. Which team do you think is the strongest?
When talking about volleyball teams, I always like the Indonesian team. They have top players and they always play with high. And the Sims, the Indonesian team always has a fast game and their attacking style is different from the others. If so, which team is your favorite, Vina?
I also like Indonesia, but when it comes to indoor volleyball, I prefer the Japanese team. They have a solid team, and young players like Nana Misaki and Mika Shibata have really made a difference. They are no less great even though they are not my favorite team, but also can't forget the Korean team, which always has classy players.
Yes, Korea is no less great. Players like Kang So-ho or Park Jung-up are extraordinary, especially in important moments. As for Indonesia, what do you think our volleyball team often experience developments?
Indonesia is indeed a potential team, even though they have not often won at international level. Young players like Wilda and Megawati could be the key for the future. They have a fighting spirit that is no less than that of big team players. In your opinion, what needs to be improved so that Indonesia can complete at world level.
In my opinion, we need to focus more on developing young players and improving training facilities. Then, maybe you also need to compete a lot with international teams so that their experience becomes rich. With the right training system, it is not impossible that Indonesia can compete even higher in international volleyball.
Totally agree. We also have to hold international tournaments and events more often in the country so that our players can have more opportunities to compete. So, speaking of training, what are you currently training for?
I am focusing on blocking and communication techniques on the field. The thing is, no matter how good our attack is, if we can defend well, it usually is more timing and positioning practice. If you
I'm focusing on creating service and receive service because in my opinion that is the beginning of every attack. If we can receive the service well, it will be difficult to build up the next attack. Technique and consistency in serving are also very important.
wow, that means we have complementary training focus. Hopefully, in the future, we can continue to develop it and see the Indonesian volleyball team getting more advantage.
Of course, hopefully, we can continue to learn and develop if we have team. Let's practice together again, can share technique with each other.
It's true, trying together is definitely fun. Okay, good luck with your training and match, Rina.
Thank you. I hope you also continue to be successful. See you. Dah.